Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kan longgas ngisa jingkin mau ya kathan Bhoi district hi barok kawai hagabaga Shnong Umbuda kan long ka Nyngkong ban yo ya ka Madan yele kai football ka bapaka ya ka ba an siang do plang plastik ne artificial football turf hagabaga sarkar jela haga santrik uluber arajar arpusau kalabu ya Mawnongrim ne ka benta ban sedang no ka jingtre ya ka Madan haga jinglut ka ba shipho klur tengka kani kani kajing angnot kabala slemba lagi nong mi kman ki nong elam jong ki kinhon ba pher ki ba kinthop nadu ka sunjuk yele kai jong ka RBDSA bat khamtam ka jing thrang dik jong ki khon samla jong ka than Bhoi ban yo no ya ka Madan yele kai football ka babha yo tayu Mawnongrim lawan ban pli perda do menteri rang ba ka jela konrad kongkel sangma ha ka jinge dan lang menteri badai pej ya katran yele kai uba shakliar warjri MLA ka nongpo uba miral bonds uba dong ru chairman ka Meghalaya State Health Board Advisory uba sustenance sotun MLA ka Jirang constituency uba dong ru chief whip jong ka sarkar jilla ba bibat dor MSM Chief Engineer State Sports Council Meghalaya uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District ki pasa Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka sarkar jilla ki nongelam ka RBDSA ki seng halang bapher lembat kiwe ya gani Madan jele kai football kabalamang bantai ha jinglut ka basi folklore tam an sedang bantai ha gini khniat sngi ya ka barat mu ban pendep no haus nem ban wan
kajing posni ulang peta jong ka klub ini Umbuda berpau di sukuban ngam crowd ang nagapor
diem kabalakot adu sipo kurtam Henry ko mga ongiti kanumput ang hangin manang ni sakmat nginang yat susu banginang tay sibon ha jingdan kam nakam takikun samla sa celaga duni kamtam kerpang ang itu iti balay bangikwa bangin ay hangni hapo kari Bhoi district di Barokaway iba bon kisingkwa nagasport department bangikwa bangin ay kari Bhoi district bali mga saong mangipit ikari Bhoi district kung kaway na ki-district kabadan ni katakasap batok. Kadi ka-district kabaladan kam yakibabun tili kijingdan kam nakamtaban kentiw yakikun samla sa kaniga district di Barokaway. Haba pipay akan ni kami Meghalaya Games kabaladan kari Bhoi kawan kabaan kabayo medal. Tanang ila suku bakat no kikut samla sa kari Bhoi district idon niya kasam. Hari ngangit skem paling ba ka country sitong kajon kinong mikmat jong ka Bhoi district haring kat bani kinong di kasorkar na permen ban ngangit skem bakata kasap pagikun samla jong ka district jong tidan kanong long ka balay lada kita di program di babon na kalian kasorkar nila sa don balakili yang ating isni ba kajingyo nong yu jong ka sarkar larangi ay kita kisediam di hotel kajing yo nong yu ya ka sarkar larangi pendek kendiang limbat tak program di bapun don balabu sikli yang ay di sini ngalabatay yu wi taw nong yalam ngalaong baklalong ka babakla lada pilabu lupa kajing mo jing pathat baka ay kajing yo nong kajing le kajing kamdi na kamta kajing yo nong jong ka sarkar ndai kajing na kamta kajing yo nong jong pidi kun sama dari nakamta ka siya nong jong dipaita paglalong kababakla larang ilapu lupa ya kata kajing mut sing perhat paling bang kani kajing le kajing kanong kajing nong ini baro kamde kita handai kadi bang ibu dipaita so kejela madu baklam da perkan ya kajing nong kajing ka sarkar ndangi perhat kajing nong jong dipaita kejela baro kadi nakata daw bagi stres tom kani ya ka bangin la min ay ikijingdan kam dokter ngangit baka sport kamdi kataka kumbaong performance wise bang siya lakay semua na siya lakay melen la never look for andai klade ke way na kilinti bakumno kon sama di dingi kilaban kamay sport Banalor kata ka bakam kongsan nangai pagka sports kadai galinti ka baay kasi kay ka bokher ya kini ikut samlang ini. Menakani pagkadon kami katay game sa tura limba ka sports ibabun kikun samlang pagpajupoy sa karuhil mentaki lakoy. Ii kumno kalong kapanyari ka timut yung pagkat yung kini ikut samlang kaay ka kay baginlong tibriw iba smart casting. Baginlong tibriw iba pitya yala kakam kajam. Nangis kem baling baka sports nila banwanra ya kata jingi teliru happening jingi baro. Dikumtadi na kagadaw.
We are able to provide that opportunity to you. And this is my commitment and the commitment of this government that we will continue to invest in sports and in sports infrastructure. You'll be happy to know that in the coming year's financial budget, we are budgeting almost 2,800 crores plus only for the youth of our state. This includes infrastructure, education, entrepreneurship, music, culture, and different aspects that are related to the youth. We will ensure that enough funds are available so that our youngsters can choose and work towards the areas which they are passionate about. Why shouldn't the youth of our state, if they wish to go into some particular sports or into music or to any other sector, they should have the opportunity to be able to pursue that particular passion, is what I believe and what this government believes. And hence, I'm happy to inform that we'll be spending over 2,800 crores in terms of the youth budget for the state of Meghalaya for 2024-2025. Friends, I'm also happy to inform you that it is not just sports, but even from other social sectors like education and health, that this government is very, very focused on ensuring that we provide the best possible services that we can. I know that health services have suffered in the last many, many years, but I can assure you the transformation is happening as we speak. Within the month of April, the Mother and Child Hospital in Bhoi will be functional. The manpower is being sanctioned as we speak or is being recruited as we speak, and we make sure that the Mother and Child MCH Hospital in Bhoi is completed. The DMHO office is going to be completed within the month of April in Bhoi, in Nyngkong. Once that is completed, the trauma center, which is acting as the temporary office of the district medical and health officer, will be shifted to their permanent location, and the trauma center also will be made operational within the month of April and May of this calendar year. And therefore, all the necessary steps required are going to be done to improve the overall health sector here. The road connectivity, which is one of the most important aspects, and as mentioned, the Nongpo-Sonapur road is in the pipeline. In the second phase of the MITP, that is the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project, this particular project is included in that list. And we will ensure that we are able to start this at the earliest. There are procedures to be followed, and hence those procedures are sometimes time consuming, but I'll make sure that we put in full efforts to ensure that this road is tendered out, sanctioned at the earliest, tendered out, and the work also starts on this at the earliest. I'm also happy to inform you that the 132 kV grid connectivity, where you will be having a grid set up out here in Nongpo, has already been sanctioned. And the amount is up to 75 crores has been sanctioned for this. And once this particular grid connectivity comes up, it will that we have projects worth 700 crores right now going on in the sports department. Another 200 crores is being sanctioned as we speak. And another additional 200 crores will be sanctioned in the coming years. Hence, in the 10 years of the MDA government, there will be over 1,000 crores worth of investment being made in the sports sector. And this does not include the large stadium, the biggest stadium that will come up in Mawnongrim, which is amounting to 385 crores, which will be in the new Shnong township area. And hence you can see the kind of effort that the sports minister and the sports department has been putting, and this government has been putting for sports. And this particular foundation stone laying ceremony is just one of the examples of that commitment that we have towards the young generation and the youth of our state. Just yesterday, I had laid the foundation stone for another artificial turf worth about 10 crores, almost 11 crores in Siju yesterday, which is in South Garo Hills. And this is again another beauty of what we are trying to do. If Meghalaya has to develop, it cannot just be Shillong and Tura and Jawai centric. If true development has to come to our state, then every village has to move forward. Every citizen has to be helped and allowed to move forward in their economic livelihood. Every constituency and every district has to develop. It is only when we are able to give holistic development will true development come to our state. And again, it's not just in words, but in our actions also that we are showing it. These kind of artificial turfs will come out in more than 20 constituencies and different rural areas of our state. Natural turf stadiums will come out. Indoor stadiums are coming out. We will be having track and field stadiums that will be coming out. And I take this opportunity to inform all of you on how this government works. Our Honorable MLA had just mentioned about the stadium and the track and field to be put up in Chinchana area in Pahamsien. And I'm happy to inform him and happy to inform the citizens of Nyngkong and Bhoi area that we already are planning this, and in the next couple of weeks to maximum a month, 13.88 crores is going to be sanctioned to put up a track and field stadium in Bhoi district. And this is being done for you, so that all of you are able to practice and perform and use this infrastructure so that you can start shining. You can start earning and getting more medals.
Konstitusi Prasin Kenti Imahe Dr. Didi Lepang. Tiba CBC milai itu sepang kejing persang mensua dan dari keempat yang dirangkan gijing tu na ngaku mu nong ni kemat ubo mi bujdi hanya dekat jangi ni persang ban pendap ya kini gijing post new ya kini gijing kat kiri lasdang ya kini gidak kiri lasdang ban perut ban pendap harga ni kepor. Bagani ke segi jong ke jingkemen, haga bang isul tu biang-biang. Bagani ke jing penmang kerpang, na ka benta jong ki hun samla, kiriu ik football ngalah manong. Namar bagani ke Madan kalau betik, tang na ka benta ka football. Namal ke dik artificial turf bani na kai football. Dei nak tagadau, haga ni ke por, haga bagia nyadan lang kumni, gi saukemen. Banagaliang jong i director jong ka sport Nagaliang jong chief engineer jong state sport council ngi scam kin supervise hagar kom ko badi ban la ban pendek ploy ni ke kam. Nagam ta gidi mentoy jong poit ba ban pek ban khmi ya kani ke Madan. Dag komiti ke babit ke babiang. Kaban khli da deputy commissioner jong Bhoi district. Hada ji tre rengka ber office jong district sport officer kador bar Shnong Umbuda sport club but kiriwi football. Apo jong ka dong ka thang di tungi kum gi kho ban penti kena bagane ke Madan. Kan long ka aset. Jadi mentoy na kam ta gi kun samla gi tungi. Habang idon na hukum kene ke por ngaso ban kenau. Ya I menteri rang ba ai jungi bat kum ju ru ya I sports minister wi jungi balan mafat hangne akaba I kerpa mendagasgi kade pendidik kade nang spesifik nang ta football. Sir, you are here and Basaklia also here. My sincere request is that because Nongpo being a district headquarter, it required synthetic athletic track with natural ground to prepare or to position yourself. I'm not wrong to say that after 2-3 years you will announce maybe Meghalaya game Nongpo we have to host as a district headquarter. So all this infrastructure has to be in place. So this is my sincere request to you and to sports minister. Where the Dorbar Shnong Pamsim has willingly donated the land in Chinchona Pamsim for this very important infrastructure. Akaju kapor, akabadi batui di kijingdon kam, kibangiran kam, hapo kanika district kejungi, akabadi bat indoor stadium, kiladon di Dorbar Shnong di Balawan Sakmat, ban donate voluntarily yakalang yakakindau, akmangisenang yakiran haki por gebanwan, and with regard to few issues which are still pending, the trauma center in Nongpo, which has been pending, we would like to see the light of the day that you will come and inaugurate the trauma center and also the upgradation and rehabilitation of the much awaited Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road for the people of this constituency.